Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the subscription comes from so you don't remove the wrong service. Open the email and scan the header and footer for the sender name and any unsubscribe links. Note the exact account or plan mentioned. If it's tied to an account, make sure you know that login email and have your password accessible. Once done, flag that message or move it to a temporary folder so you can follow the next steps without losing the reference. You should use the explicit unsubscribe route first because it's the fastest and most reliable way to stop future emails. Click the in-message unsubscribe link and complete any 1-3 confirmation prompts. Make sure you see a success message. If the email is account-based, log in, go to notifications or email preferences, and turn off the specific mailing or promotional checkboxes. If neither works, set a filter to auto-delete or archive messages from that address so they stop cluttering your inbox. Finish by making the change enforceable and preparing for fallback steps. Add a block for the sender or entire domain in your email client and create a filter to auto-delete or route messages away from your inbox. Make sure to monitor for 3-7 days to confirm delivery stops. If emails continue, contact the company's support with copies and timestamps. Request removal from their list. If needed, report it as spam to your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.